Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be sharing my interview experience with you all. How I got in 1 year internship opportunity and Informatica, and then I will be converting to the full-time role. So first I will be sharing like my mail ID. So you guys don't think like I'm just saying, yeah, it's true. So it's a welcome to Informatica mail. So it's my orientation mails. So now let's start guys for the interview process. So in my case, I got a 4 rounds for the interview. The first 2 rounds is totally DSA based rounds, and in the first round I get the 3 questions. So as I remember, the first question is related to the subsequences of array, and something I have to shuffle it down, and I think that is totally related to the sorting. And the second question which I got, that is related to the DP, dynamic programming. And the third question which I got, that is related to the graph. So we have to do the 2 questions out of 3, and if we want to go move to the next, you can say the next round. So I was able to, I guess, all the 3 of the questions, and then I got within a first week, within 1 week, I will go to the second round. The second round is again totally the data structures and algorithm based. In that particular round, again I will got a 3 questions. The 2 questions that is the based upon dynamic programming, and the 1 question that is based upon the stack. I guess that is based upon the stack. So in that this particular round also, I will got the 3 questions, and I was able to solve the 2 of them. That's why I'm able to go to the next round. So this is the journey until the data structure and algorithm rounds. So where they are checked my technical knowledge. So now this is the third round, which is the based on technical round. So I guess my hiring manager was taken by this round. So this round is based upon, you can say, everything. So he was able to cover everything within, I think, 50 minutes of round. So the round was starting to my introduction, and it goes to a lot of things. So in this particular round, he was asking me. So first he was asking me about the data structure and algorithm. So he also verified my knowledge, because it was an online round, so he was not sure like I did it myself or I will take help from any side, right? So first he was asking me 2 DSA questions, and the one is a totally implementation of linked list. The second one is also something related to array only. Then after that he will go to the puzzle. He was asking me the 2 puzzles. The one is related to some ball puzzle. So there are n number of balls in a room, so you have to put something here and there. So the second question, that is related to the circle puzzle. So after the DSC questions, he was asking me 2 of the puzzles, and after the puzzles he go to the core subject. So in the core subjects, he was deep down to the SQL. He was asking me about the queries. He was asking me about the joins. Even though he was told me to write the syntax, so I wrote it also. So as I remember, he was asking me about natural joins, inner joins, outer joins, because he was confused me. He was checked to, I mean, he want to check my knowledge on SQL, because it's a database. Because Informatica is a cloud-driven company, so everywhere is a data. So we have to work with the databases. We have to work with the AI in here, right? So that's why he want to check my knowledge on my these skills. Then he was deep dive into the databases. He was asking me about the indexes. He was asking me one of the major question that I still remember. The question was, let's suppose you have a database, okay? So you have to search your queries, I mean, in the most efficient way, and you have a million of rows. So in these kind of scenarios, he was asking me search questions. So basically, usually the mainly question is based upon the scenarios. It's not based upon the clear-cut questions. It's based upon the scenario. So that time I felt the question was like a system design, but it was not exactly. Yeah, but something you can say related to that. But yeah, question is entirely SQL based only. After that he was going, I guess, then he was asking me about the DBMS. So DBMS, he was asking me about the 4 major pillars: consistency, duration, one the question. That is a very important question of the DBMS. Then he was asking me about SQL and NoSQL databases, at what timing we have to use the SQL and what timing we have to use the NoSQL databases. So apart from then, he was go to the operating system. The operating system, he was asking me the scheduling algorithm, how this algorithm is going, how how we can use the paging and segmentation concept. So these are the few major questions of the operating system he was asking me. And at last he was asking me the computer networks. So I'm pretty much sure about computer networks because he was asking me some of the commands like net state command. So what's this ping and curl difference? Why? Because usually in the Linux, or you can say if we work with the cloud, we have to go through with this basic commands. So in the Linux he was asking me just the basic commands, not very much, yeah, but he was asking me some of the networking commands. Like he told me, like, tell me the 5 networking commands which you ever used and what are the problems you're facing, right? So yeah, so this is all about my interview process, and there is a one more round, that is a managerial round. So in that round, when I joined, so they told me, yeah, you are selected for this interview. So this is a package, and there are the few managerial questions before telling to that, like why you want to join Informatica and what is your expectation from us as a company, and this is the job profile which you will be offered you. So this is a 1-year internship opportunity, and after that if you are performing well, we will be converting you to the full-time opportunity. So she was discussing my package with me and the other things and some of the formalities. So yeah guys, this is all about my interview experience. Please let me know how you, I mean, it will helpful or not, because a lot of people ping me on LinkedIn like, please share your interview experience, because Informatica came to our college as on campus opportunity. Yeah, so I think it will be helpful to you because it is also on campus opportunity for me. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video.